Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we have an unboxing of something different on the channel. This is the TORRAS COOLiFY Cyber Ultimate Wearable Air Conditioner. Yeah, let's check this out. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the TORRAS COOLiFY Cyber Ultimate Wearable Air Conditioner. Basically, it's exactly what you think it is. So you basically wear this around your neck and it has a couple of vents and whatever. I watched a couple of TikToks about it. People love it, and it actually works with an app from TORRAS, so it actually works very, very well from what I'm seeing here. But as far as the overall unboxing, you guys could check it out for yourself. There's a whole bunch of ports on this thing that you wear around your neck. It kind of reminds me of like the LG tones from the past, where you wear the headphones and you wear that little bass thing around your neck. But as far as everything else, you guys can pause this and read it for yourself. You definitely can. Smart app control, widespread cooling, rapid immersion, speedy recharge, and a 6,000 milliamp large battery. So it's the end of October so far, so it's a little bit cooler now, but just the way that I am, sometimes I like it hot, sometimes I like it cold. So this is actually perfect if you actually want to save some air conditioning because you are hot and everyone else isn't. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Really interested to see how this works. It looks really cool from all the videos, and I will have a link down below if you guys want to check it out as well. So looks like you just slide this out, put that to the side here. COOLiFY Cyber is on deck. Look at the presentation, very clean presentation. It almost looks like headphones, and you wear this around your neck, and you have this nice little carrying case. It does have that cloth material, and you have a drawstring here, and you have your zippers here that are also branded as well. So big attention to detail. Two zippers that go up together, and there you go. Now, as far as what else you get in the box, we could check that out here. So it looks like you have your charging cable, type C to type C, and it does have that curved cable, so you're actually able to wear it while it's charging, hopefully. And you have a whole bunch of stuff here. Oh my god, look at this. The quick start guide, the Bluetooth pairing guide. This is crazy. There's a whole bunch of stuff here. Just the presentation of this is super clean, and that's all you get in the box. And I do have to add that I do like the braided cable look on this one. Really cool design. Now let's just close this up, put this to the side, and we're gonna bring the main show to the front. Look at this. Now it's a little bit heavy, I cannot lie about that, but as far as the overall look of it, very clean. It does have that glossy plastic look to this. I wonder if this actually comes out and you wear this around your neck. So you do have your charging cable port right there, type C. I'm trying to find the buttons. Where is the actual buttons for this? All right, so you have the buttons right there. You have your power button. I will turn that on, and this must be your Bluetooth. Oh man, I can feel it already. Where's that coming from? So it's actually coming from here. Wow, these are pretty cool. All right, so you do have to download an app, so you could feel the air coming through here, and from here, and over here is basically the vents where it has to channel in the hot air, I guess, and then it pushes in that right there. So I'll be right back. I do want to test this out with the app. I did actually have to download the app right here. As far as the app is called TORRAS. So I do have to set up everything. I will be right back. We could definitely check this out and just see how it works. Oh, a matter of fact, let's see if we're able to actually do it from right here. So it actually linked up really fast. If you just hit the skip, I'm gonna use these for maybe like 30 minutes. I'll be right back and I will give you my initial review. COOLiFY Cyber. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so we are now back. I just checked out the COOLiFY Cyber Ultimate Wearable Air Conditioner around my neck for maybe around like 25 to 30 minutes. And I kind of say this is one of the coolest things that I've ever used. Now, it does have a little bit of weight to it. I could show you a picture of me actually wearing it around just like so. I can honestly say this is one of the coolest things that I've ever used before. And as far as the app itself, it's pretty self-explanatory. So how it works is that you have these 3 buttons here, and if you do the cooling, which is blue, it's going to be for air conditioning, and if you do the green, it's for the fan, and if you do the red, which is actually orange by the way, it has like a heating pad. So it's like a heating pad. It's not going to be hot air. It's like a heating pad in there, which actually heats up pretty fast as well. So there's so many different options on this. This is really cool. But if you want to get the full air conditioner feel, you got to go with this, and you got to go blue, and you got to go all the way just like so. Really cool product. It does have the 2 buttons on the side. But it's just so cool how it has this heating pad thing too. And it gets like hot pretty quickly too. But if you need it for the air conditioner, this is definitely a win. Now, as far as the comfort, it's a little bit tight on the neck. As far as the overall design of this, it's pretty cool. It does have a little weight to it, like I said earlier, but as far as what it does, it is absolutely amazing. Because as of right now, I have the sun in the background. I have my air conditioner turned off. It's 80 degrees in my house. And this is really needed for the occasion. But as far as the overall design, I think it's pretty dope. And if you guys want to pick one up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this. This is a must-have, especially for the summer. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.